Hello everyone. So today I'm giving you a solution about headphone jack detection problem on your smartphones. If you're using a Sony smartphone, the phone comes with this software installed in it called the Smart Connect app from Sony. So you have to uninstall or disable it from the settings. Also, if you're using any other smartphones like as you saw, like Samsung, you have to uninstall the default music app from your phone. Then you have to install another app called earphone mode, like it's earphone mode off, disable headphones. This is the app. You have to install it and open the app, then click on start. Then you can switch to speaker mode from earphone mode. Then you have to connect your earphone, then click on earphone mode. Now the phone will only provide sound from the earphone. So after disconnecting your earphone, you can switch it to speaker mode from manually here. Okay, so every time you want to listen music from your headphone, you have to switch it to earphone mode.